Good morning, everyone! I am Mary Lauren Raputula of Grade 6 Mapagkumbaba. Today, we are going to talk about our Philippine flag. Whenever I see our flag being raised during flag ceremony, I feel honored and proud to be a Filipino. I am grateful to our ancestors who sacrificed their lives so that we could live peacefully. Let us find out the importance and history of our Philippine flag. Before they came up with this design, there were 9 flags previously. The one we have now has adopted the features of all the previous Katipunan flags. This was first displayed on May 28, 1898 after the Spaniards were defeated and eventually surrendered to Emilio Aguinaldo. It was formally unfurled on June 12, 1898 in Kawit, Cavite during the Proclamation of Independence, also known as Araw ng Kalayaan. Our flag symbolizes freedom. It was designed by Emilio Aguinaldo while he was in exile in Hong Kong. It was sewn by Doña Marcela Agoncillo with the help of her daughter, Lorenzana and Mrs. Delfina Natividad. Each design has meaning. The sun represents independence while the 8 rays represent the 8 provinces. Manila, Batangas, Bulacan, Cavite, Pampanga, Laguna, Tarlac, and Nueva Ecija. These provinces triggered the revolt during the Spanish occupation. The 3 stars represent Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The blue symbolizes patriotism and justice, while the red represents valor and the blood split for freedom and independence. The white stands for peace and purity. The white triangle represents equality and the Katipunan Nationalist Organization. Whenever our flag is raised, we should show our respect and love for our country. A lot of Filipinos before us suffered and died to give us the independence and freedom that we are now experiencing. Let us appreciate and love our flag, most especially our country.